As cloud-native architectures evolve, traditional security measures become obsolete. This presentation outlines a unified approach to securing modern cloud applications, focusing on transitioning from siloed vulnerability management to a context-driven attack path prioritization. Legacy security architectures struggle to protect dynamic cloud environments. The old paradigm of static environments and manual defenses is inadequate against the cloud reality of loosely coupled microservices and distributed applications, leading to visibility gaps. Siloed point solutions result in dangerous visibility gaps and severe alert fatigue. Teams managing distinct tools lack shared context, making it difficult to prioritize threats effectively. The CNAPP solution offers a unified platform to address these challenges. Unified Cloud Risk Management is built on three foundational pillars: CSPM for control plane security, CWPP for data plane protection, and CIEM for identity security. Together, they ensure comprehensive cloud-native application protection. Securing the modern stack requires a continuous code-to-cloud mandate. Integrating security into development workflows, managing infrastructure and deployment, and ensuring runtime protection are crucial for a robust security posture. The security mandate is expanding to encompass data, applications, and artificial intelligence. DSPM, ASPM, and AISPM work together to protect sensitive data, bridge vulnerabilities, and secure AI models, ensuring comprehensive security coverage. The market is converging on a hybrid model of agentless and agent-based deployments. Each has its pros and cons, but the industry consensus favors agentless-first foundations with lightweight sensors for critical real-time protection. Security graphs expose toxic combinations that create actual attack paths. By correlating disparate signals, organizations can identify and mitigate vulnerabilities, radically reducing alert noise and enhancing security posture. CNAPP adoption fundamentally transforms cloud governance and operational velocity. It establishes unified visibility, streamlines operations, accelerates DevSecOps, and ensures automated compliance, driving efficiency and security. The market presents a strategic choice between platform extension and cloud-native pure-play innovation. Established giants offer vendor consolidation, while startups provide agility and superior user experience, each with distinct value propositions. Evaluating leading platforms requires aligning architecture with operational needs. Each platform, from Palo Alto to Orca Security, offers unique strengths and ideal use cases, ensuring the right fit for diverse organizational requirements. Artificial intelligence and supply chain integrity will define the next generation of platforms. AI, ML for predictive defense and securing the software supply chain are essential to address evolving threats and ensure robust security measures. Successful implementation requires proactively managing operational and cultural friction. Addressing alert fatigue, integration complexity, and skill gaps is crucial for fostering a DevSecOps culture and ensuring seamless security integration. A phased rollout program ensures sustainable adoption and immediate risk reduction. From gaining visibility to strategic runtime protection, each step is designed to gradually expand coverage and enhance security posture across cloud environments. Strategic platform selection must align with organizational maturity and risk profile. Whether choosing a cloud-native innovator, a mature hybrid enterprise, or a regulated multi-cloud, the final imperative is continuous improvement and shared responsibility between security and development.